Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I want to show you how you can get this really nice, clean and crisp Facebook header image that a lot of people are struggling to get. Now, I did make a video like this previously, but I feel like this is a much better solution to the problem. So hopefully it is the answer that you have been looking for. So I'm going to delete this so that we can do it together. So let's just start by going to Google and looking at the dimensions that we get for the header image. So we get 1851 by 1315. And if we look at the images, we'll also see that there are safe zones. So this means that not all devices will show the content or the header image equally. So for that, I've gone ahead and I've made you this. I will leave this down in the description. You can download it for free and you can use it either in whatever designing software that you use. You can just import it and you can use it to place your designs in. Let me just go ahead and explain to you. So what we're going to be using is we'll use the overall size of 3290 by 1846 pixels. And that should allow Facebook's compression not to hit us so hard when we upload it. While we are using this size, this overall size, we are still going to make sure that whatever we design falls into this little block of the mobile size, which is 3290 by 1718. If you're going to go ahead and make a 3290 by 1718 design, it's going to upscale the image to this size, which will cause blurriness. So let's just go ahead and I'll show you in Canva how we can do this. So let's just start a new design. So we want to go with a custom design. And we want 3290 by 1846. And make sure that it's on pixels here. And let's just create a new design. So I will just go ahead and make this black. And then we can use font here, Coffee Co, nothing too fancy. And then to download that, you want to go to Share and click Download. So I would advise you to use a PNG, but you can also go ahead and use a JPEG. That's not a problem. And let's just download that. So let's go back to Facebook and let's add this cover image. So there we go. And this should now be a great header image that's not blurry. Let's just give that a second. And there we go. That looks really good to me. So I hope that this has helped you and it saved you a little bit of frustration. If you have found value in this video, I would really appreciate it if you could give it a like and also consider subscribing. It helps me get these videos out to other people that have also been struggling to achieve this. Anyway, I will see you in the next video.